Hi, this is Matthew Cratter from Trader University, and today I want to talk about the probability or the odds of a Tesla bankruptcy in the coming year or two. Now, a lot of you who have followed my bearish stance on Tesla know that I'm long puts. A lot of people have written to me or given me YouTube comments which say, why do you hate Elon Musk? Why are you against innovation, etc., etc. So in this video, I hope to show you a really concrete way to measure risk of bankruptcy and to show you that there's a lot of numbers analysis going on here. And it's not a bias. I actually personally like Elon Musk. He seems like a very interesting guy. Now, Tesla again in the news today for another car exploding in a garage, appearing to catch fire. And it's easy to get sidetracked by sensationalist stuff like this. But let's really dig down into the financials here and try to investigate what they are telling us about the risk of bankruptcy. Now, in order to do this, I'm going to be using something called the Altman Z-score. This is a scoring mechanism that was developed by Professor Altman back in 1968. And what it does is it draws data from a company's financial statements and then crunches that data using a formula and spits out a Z-score. And that Z-score will then tell you the risk of bankruptcy for that company in the coming year or two. Now, the Z-scores come into three different zones. The safe zone is a Z-score of 2.99 or above. Gray zone, any Z-score between 1.8 and 2.99. Now, the danger zone, where we're really going to be looking right here, any Z-score less than 1.8. If a company has a Z-score of less than 1.8, the risk of bankruptcy in the coming year or two is much, much higher. So to dig down into this and to actually get a score, I went to a website called investingcalculator.org. You can just Google that and type in Altman ZScore Calculator. It should be the first result in Google. And what it is this is just a built-in calculator, and you need to enter various data. So for example, net sales. So what I did is I just went to Morningstar, pulled up all the income statement, the balance sheet, and you can see, for example, right here, I'm taking the sales number from right here. And then on the balance sheet, we'll be looking at current assets, current liabilities, etc. So let's go back to the calculator. The inputs for this Altman Z calculation are net sales, EBIT, in other words, operating income, earnings before income, and earnings before interest and taxes. Total assets, total liabilities, retained earnings. Retained earnings you can find on the balance sheet. If you scroll down on the far right here, you can see right here retained earnings. Using this number here, you can see Tesla's lost $5.3 billion over the last 5 years or so. It's been public. So we use that for retained earnings. Working capital, you're just going to use current assets minus current liabilities. Market value of equity, just drawing, go to Yahoo and take it the market cap, which is currently about 45 billion here. So once we've done all this, all we need to do is we enter the data in each of these boxes, click calculate, and you'll see we come up with an Altman Z score of 1.48. 1.48 using the most recent financial data. Now, if we go back and look at this screen, any Altman Z score that's less than 1.80 is in the danger zone. So we can see that Tesla is firmly in the danger zone here. And this Altman Z score is telling you that there's a very high chance of bankruptcy for the company over the coming year or two. This is why I'm long puts. I'm long the January 50 puts, and you can check out my other YouTube videos if you want to see exactly how I'm trading those. If you enjoy this video, you might also like some of my courses at Trader University. And if you go here, you can check out the courses. I've got a course on financial statement analysis, as well as some of my books are on here, which you can find on Amazon. If you're interested in signing up for a membership, I've got a special YouTube discount code, just YouTube 2009. You'll find it in the description notes below this video, and that'll give you a nice discount off the monthly membership. Lots of courses in here that you might enjoy, including fundamental analysis, as well as lots of trading courses, so price action trading, swing trading with options. Thanks a lot for listening. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more updates on Tesla and other trades I'm doing. And please leave me a comment or question in the notes below if you have any questions. Thanks again.